Good morning, people. It is the day of the wedding. It is the day of the wedding. Everybody's going manic, everybody's losing their shit, but we're getting shit done, right? I've just gone and had a shower, had a little tidy up. I don't want to go full bold. I was going to shave my head again, right? But I don't want to be full bold because my brother is proper bold and we'll just clash, you know. Although I have got a bigger beard, it's a different story. But, you know, we try and mix it up a bit because we'll all be stood next to each other. So I'm going to go for the bit of hair. You know, yes, you can see my greys in this, but, you know, what do they call it? Silver fox, or silver wolf. I'll take that. But it's almost time to start putting my suit on and getting ready and trying to be clean, because yeah, not like I'm a dirty person. I just don't wear white. So this is where this white shirt has been kept in my brother's property. And like, you look after it, and I'll put it on when it comes to the day. But yeah. Right, let's get things sorted. We'll have some breakfast and another coffee. I've got about an hour before we get picked up by my brother. So yeah, I'm sure it's going to be an amazing day. But got some little cuff links and stuff, look. Oh, there he is, look.
Getting ready, last minute, you know.
There we go, smart. Gonna say so. Yeah. Oh yeah. Don't mind if I do.
Stella, big man.
Guinness, mate.
Guinness, you have a Guinness?
Yeah.
I don't like Guinness.
Why?
Don't mind it.
He's not a man yet, he doesn't like Guinness.
Yeah, not yet. Keep it fun.
Like Guinness. Copyright sucks, but why does this fit so perfectly? Whoa. No, I'm sorry, right, but obviously due to copyright claims, I can't use proper music, right? So I found this one, and I don't know why it fits so well. Or was it just me? Or it's just perfect. Just perfect. Anyway, back into the video. So, with the belly full of Guinness, it was time to call it a night. Now, well, luckily, a few of my friends and my father were getting a taxi down the way we were, where my van was parked, so we hitched a ride with them. Fucking stop the van now! So obviously, with it being my brother's wedding day, I didn't film too much for YouTube. I have filmed a lot for my family, and I'm going to make a video for them. That'd be amazing. But what an amazing day, you know, I couldn't think of anything better for my brother. So the following day was just nursing that little hangover that I had, you know, just having a little bit of time out. But it wasn't long before I got itchy feet and I had to go get some parcels from my sisters and get some bits done on the van.
And one of those jobs is fitting that roof gland I was talking about before. Now, the only way this is going to work is if I get the right gland to go through the roof. So, we'll find out. Now, it's been a while since I've been on that roof and remember how thick it was, but I've got my fingers crossed this is going to work. And if you don't use these step drill bits, you're missing out. You're missing out. First job is making sure this gland will fit through this junction box. And there we have it. One cable gland through a junction box. Admittedly, probably going to use that the other way around. Give me more space inside the box, but happy days. Let's go on the roof and drill a nice big hole in the roof. Oh, nobody likes doing that. I don't even like doing that. I do it to customers' vans all the time. Ooh, gives me shivers just watching it. And I bet you're all wondering, bet that's made a mess through into my van with that spray foam. Now you wait to see what I come up with. It's fucking genius. Oh, a good old bag for life. Had it pinned over the hole so it caught all the bits of fiberglass and spray foam and that kind of thing. Now it's just a case of cutting a square out. Now, people always say to me that, oh, spray foam's a nightmare if you want to remove it, this, that and the other. I'm literally cutting a hole and then I'm going to pop it out, and that's as easy as that. And there we are, look at that, perfectly squared hole. Now let's get on the roof and get that gland fitted. Yeah, what an awesome weekend. Now, it's not very often all of our family get together, and you know what, I couldn't have thought of a better wife for my brother. You know, her side of the family are just beautiful, you know, everything just went to plan, everything went wow, and yeah, just an awesome weekend. But it is bank holiday Monday today, so I'm doing little bits and bobs and running around here, there and everywhere at the minute. But yeah, I'll probably call it there. and I'll catch you lot in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to keep it real, keep it safe, keep it true. And massive shout out to my patrons. You know, mind blown how my Patreon's gone up. But yeah, bear with me, I'm still getting my head around that. But yeah, I'll leave that one there, and I'll catch you lot in the next one. Ta-da!